Hello and welcome to the next video of Tom's computer channel. Today I make a video of one of the common products of Commodore in the area of Amiga. So it is the Amiga tank mouse. This mouse was produced for the Amiga 500 and 2000. So this mouse is fully working. So we make a check of the interior and do some refurbish work. So let's start it. So let's take a closer look at this tank mouse. You see it's yellowed, the plug also, the upper side is yellowed, the lower side is good, also here the lower side is good, it's a little bit dirty and it's working. And now let's open up. It's a ball mouse from the 80s. So you have this ball inside and there are rolls for the directions. It's the thing before it gave optical mice. Take out these two screws. And you can carefully open. And it's a little bit dirty inside. Yeah. It have definitely cleaned it up. So, it's a Mitsumi Electronics board. Micro switches. So take the board out, and these parts are these two parts are cleaning in soapy water. So next step is to desoldering the ground wire. The rest is in a connector, but the ground is soldered on. So here I use my PCB holder. It's nice to work, very useful. Unplug the cable in this. Oh, I don't know if you see it. There is a that's coated, so you can't put it in on the wrong way. So put it on the side. Now we give the cable a quick clean with Windex and the cloth. The cable is clean, and we try carefully to retrobrite the side of the connector. I think we can put it in aluminium foil, the cable and the top of the connector, and then here a little bit of cream peroxide on it, and then on a UV light, and I think this would work. So here's the rest. Let them clean in soapy water. So this sit for a while in the soapy water, and now we give it a good scrub. It's not that dirty from outside. You see the difference, very yellow on the outside and a good color on the inside. So that's the ball. It's a ball mouse. It's no light mouse. In this year, when this mouse was produced, it's the only technology for computer mice. So let them dry, and then it's time for retrobrighting. Here we are eyewear glass. Now it's time for retrobrightting, and you see the upper part is very yellow. The plug is very yellow. I wrapped the cable in aluminum foil. It does not expose to UV light. And here the sides are a little bit yellow. This is not yellowed, so we put it on the side. Oh, now we are ready, and this comes in the box. Oh, this is my UV light box. You see, I made a wooden plate with a hole for the UV lamp with LEDs. Inside is covered in aluminum foil, also here. So, and now put it in. Put it in the box. Close the box. Put the light on. Switch the light on, and you see it's blue. And now it stays in if the yellow is gone. See you later. So 2 hours later, let's see. Oh, there's not that much happened. Massage a little bit in. Oh. Oh, there. It's a little bit brighter. Oh, next round. This is to do every 1.5 to 2 hours. So let's wait. So hours and hours are gone. Let's see if the result looks very nice. So let's clean it up and then reassembly and test. Now we are back again and let's reassembly and test. You see, it comes out very well. The yellow is gone on all parts, also on the plug. And now let's reassemble. So now it's reassembled and let's test. So let's test. I've loaded the Amiga-Test-Kit by Kia Fraser. I put the link down in the description, and here we can test the mouse. If you see, if I move it, then it runs. Left mouse key, right mouse key, moving all that. Success. So that's it. The mouse is in a nearly new condition. This one was from 1987, so the mouse has a few years or decades, who knows, to live. And it fits perfectly to the refurbished Amiga 500. And so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want more videos, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you know when I post new videos. And so see you on the next one. Bye.